Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Um, I finally got my part in that I was waiting on to fix the heater control system and AC system, and I'm gonna go ahead and install that and then try to finish buttoning up a lot of the stuff on the interior, and hopefully all I'll have left is the seats to do. It's early in the morning, so I decided to go ahead and give it a start. Because we've been hitting triple digits here in South Texas, so try to get it before the heat comes on. Disclaimer: I am no professional mechanic. I've never done anything like this before, so you guys just bear with me. Alright, so the part that I ordered was the faceplate for the AC control system, and I got it from Treasure Coast Miata. They're based out of Florida. So I'm just opening the box, see how it looks. And they were gracious to send a Treasure Coast Miata, Miata sticker in the box. And this is the faceplate. It looked brand new. The one that I had was very brittle and was falling apart. Alright, so as you can see, I had already cleaned this up. Just waiting for the parts to come in. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take off these knobs and then go ahead and install the faceplate. Alright, and to get these knobs off, there's a small Phillips head screw that's at the bottom. Alright, so I got it on, but for some reason there's a all around here is flush, and then as you get right here by the 4, there's a little gap and it doesn't look right. So, and as you can tell, like once I put it on, it seems like everything is flush right there, but just gonna tighten this up a little bit, bend it back. Let's try this again. Oh, okay. Alright, so this little cutout right here, this tab is supposed to fit in it, and it may be, the tab may be a little wider. Now there's even a bigger gap. Yeah, I think the tab is a little wider than the opening, so what I'm gonna do is just pull this back off and then trim that off a little bit. Alright, so I got the little fan control on. And now Okay, so got the tombstone back in, or the radio bezel. Got all the wires connected for the controls. Got that one right there, and then two on the other side. So you got one up there, and then you got one down there. So they're all connected. Now I'm going to, you saw me steam clean the tombstone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and steam clean the glove box, put that plastic Bondo on it, and then let it sit for about 15 minutes while it dries. And then I'll go ahead and install that back. And then I will go ahead and put back the center console. Already got the cover for the handbrake. I know there's shifter boot. We're gonna have to be replaced. So you got an outer and then an inner boot. I'm gonna have to order that. Probably gonna get it off of Treasure Coast Miata. And I think they come as a kit. Buy it, and then also I guess get the linkage on there, because this has a lot of play on it. It shouldn't be. It should be stiff like that. But that's gonna be for later on. Right now I'm just trying to get this stuff back together. The seats, I want to try and do it myself, but I don't know. I may have to pay someone to reupholster the seats. So here we go. Alright, so as you can see, I have the plastic bonder forming right there. Once it gets hard, should be good, like this other side, and I should be able to tighten that screw and put the glove box in. But for now, I'm gonna go pop these two in. Okay, so the installation that was in there, I wasn't feeling too happy with it. So what I did, I went ahead and traced it out on that foam that I got from Target. And as you can see, it's in there and it fits perfect. So I just got to get the lower boot. For that, I actually got to get the repair kit, and it comes with the lower boot, and I would have to more than likely look for the upper boot that goes around this, the shifter. But for now, that's gonna have to do. I'm still waiting on the plastic bonder to dry before I put the glove box in. Alright guys, sorry about that. For some reason I thought the stupid camera was, the camera's not stupid, it's the operator. But for some reason I thought the camera was on. While I was connecting back the steering column and this little knee plate and some the bezel for the gauge cluster, but it was not. But as you can see, all that's put back together, and pretty much looks like everything works. You got the light, I can dim it, raise it back up, see all that. So now I need to, where is my small extension? Oh goodness. Alright, I need to torque this nut down. I already got it set at 36 foot-pounds. So it'd be nice if I had somebody to hold this steering wheel. And the seats are not in, so can't even brace it with my knee. But I'm gonna try my best. Okay. Lights off. The hell? So it's cranking over, but it's not starting. And I think I know what the issue is. It's got to be the fuel pump. But now when I was cranking it over, it's not even giving me any oil pressure. There we go. That's starting to good. Alright. So it's late, and I'm gonna call it a night. Everything is back together. I just gotta put the cap on for that, which is not gonna be hard. But that's gonna have to wait until tomorrow or maybe Tuesday, because Mondays and Wednesdays I go riding with my group. So yeah, I think Tuesday I'll finish that up. I'll order the fuel pump and hopefully it'll be here by Tuesday.